4 dorsal interossei and 4 palmar interossei. They are originated from the metacarpal and inserted into the base of the proximal phalanx. We count it from the lateral to medial side. So from thumb to the little finger. First dorsal interossei arises from the adjacent side of the first and second metacarpal, and it is inserted into the radial side of the base of the proximal phalanx and partly inserted into the dorsal digital expansion. So the dorsal interossei abduct the finger. So second and third dorsal interossei inserted into the middle finger. So second and third inserted into the middle finger. So it abduct the middle finger both the side. So through the middle finger passes the axis. So middle finger it is adducted. So second dorsal interossei arises from the ulnar side of the second metacarpal and radial side of the third metacarpal and inserted into the radial side of the base of the proximal phalanx of the middle finger. Third dorsal interossei arises from the adjacent side of the third and fourth metacarpal and it is inserted into the ulnar side of the base of the proximal phalanx of the middle finger. Fourth dorsal interossei arises from the adjacent side of the fourth and fifth metacarpal and it inserted into the base of the proximal phalanx of the ring finger. So ulnar side. So partially inserted into the base of the ulnar side of the ring finger and partially inserted into the dorsal digital expansion. So all the dorsal interossei and palmar interossei partially inserted into the base of the proximal phalanx and partly into the dorsal digital expansion. So the dorsal interossei action of the dorsal interossei is abduction. So middle finger it is already adducted. So when the middle finger is moved both sides, it is a abduction of the middle finger. So it abduct the second, third and fourth digit. The palmar interossei it adduct the finger. So palmar interossei is not attached to the middle finger. Dorsal interossei, second and third dorsal interossei attached to the middle finger. But in the palmar interossei, it is not attached to the middle finger. So first palmar interossei arises from the first metacarpal at the ulnar side of the base of the first metacarpal and it inserted into the ulnar side of the base of the proximal phalanx of the first digit. Second palmar interossei arises from the ulnar side of the second metacarpal and it is inserted into the ulnar side of the base of the proximal phalanx and partly into the dorsal digital expansion. So it inserted into the second palmar interossei inserted into the index finger. So middle finger does not give any attachment to the palmar interossei. So the third palmar interossei arises from the radial side of the fourth metacarpal, inserted into the base of the radial side of the proximal phalanx of the ring finger at the base and partly into the dorsal digital expansion. So the third palmar interossei. Fourth palmar interossei arises from the radial side of the fifth metacarpal, inserted into the base of the radial side of the proximal phalanx of the little finger. So partially inserted into the base of the proximal phalanx and partially inserted to the dorsal digital expansion. One more adductor of the thumb is adductor pollicis. It has a transverse head and oblique head. Transverse head arises from the third metacarpal, oblique head from the capitate and inserted in the ulnar side of the proximal phalanx of the thumb at the base of the thumb. Abductor digiti minimi muscle, one of the hypothenar muscle, arises from the pisiform and hook of the hamate, the medial pillar of the carpal bone, and inserted over the medial side of the base of the proximal phalanx of the little finger. Deep branch of the ulnar nerve passes between the pisiform bone and hook of the hamate, that is a Guyon's canal, where it can be compressed and enters deeply within the concavity of the palm and goes laterally. It supplies the hypothenar muscle, dorsal interossei, all the dorsal and palmar interossei, adductor pollicis muscle, third and fourth lumbrical muscle of the palm, and flexor pollicis brevis muscle of the thenar eminence. Transverse section of palm at metacarpal level. So dorsal interossei is the deepest muscle. It arises from the adjacent side of the metacarpal. There is a 4 dorsal interossei and 4 palmar interossei. Palmar interossei and second palmar interossei arises from the ulnar side of the first and second metacarpal. Third and fourth palmar interossei arises from the radial side of the fourth and fifth metacarpal. Adductor pollicis arises from the third metacarpal. Hypothenar opponens digiti minimi, abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi. Thenar muscle, abductor pollicis, flexor pollicis brevis and opponens pollicis. So ulnar nerve, that deep branch of the ulnar nerve lies within the concavity of the palmar carpal bone, palmar metacarpal bone, and it supplies the hypothenar muscle, palmar interossei, dorsal interossei, and third and fourth lumbrical muscle and adductor pollicis muscle. In the palm, there is a 4 tendon of the flexor digitorum superficialis and 4 tendon of the flexor digitorum profundus muscle. Lumbrical arises from the tendon of the profundus muscle. The first and second lumbrical is unipennate, and it arises from the first and second tendon of the profundus muscle, and third and fourth lumbrical, it arises from the adjacent side of the profundus tendon. So third and fourth lumbrical are bipennate. Another 2 long tendon present, that is the flexor pollicis longus muscle and flexor carpi radialis muscle. Flexor carpi radialis is inserted into the palmar side of the base of the second and third metacarpal bone. triangular expansion of the extensor tendon over the proximal phalanx. It is known as the dorsal digital expansion. It receives the insertion of the lumbrical, dorsal interossei and palmar interossei. Over the middle finger, it receives the insertion of second and third dorsal interossei muscle. On the radial side, over the middle finger, there is a second dorsal interossei and medial side there is a third dorsal interossei muscle insertion. So these interossei are partially inserted into the dorsal digital expansion. On the radial side of the index finger, there is a first dorsal interossei and fourth dorsal interossei on the third finger over the ulnar side of the third finger. Now the palmar interossei inserted first palmar interossei in the proximal phalanx of the thumb, second palmar interossei inserted over the ulnar side of the index finger, third palmar interossei on the radial side of the ring finger and fourth palmar interossei on the radial side of the little finger. Now all the lumbrical passes laterally, so it inserted on the radial side of the dorsal digital expansion. The lumbrical directly inserted over the radial side of the dorsal digital expansion. Then the dorsal digital expansion divided into three slips. There is a middle slips and the two lateral slips. The middle slip inserted into the base of the middle phalanx, base of the dorsal side of the middle phalanx, and the two lateral slip united and it inserted over the base of the proximal phalanx. Dorsal digital expansion of the index finger on its radial side receives the insertion of the first dorsal interossei and first lumbrical, and ulnar side receives the insertion of the second palmar interossei muscle. Dorsal digital expansion of the middle finger on the radial side, it receives the insertion of the second dorsal interossei and second lumbrical, and ulnar side receives the insertion of the third dorsal interossei. Then dorsal digital expansion of the ring finger on the radial side, it receives the insertion of the lumbrical and third palmar interossei muscle, and on the radial side it receives the insertion of the fourth dorsal interossei muscle. And dorsal digital expansion of the little finger on the radial side, it receives the insertion of the lumbrical, fourth lumbrical and fourth palmar interossei muscle.